In mountains embrace where highlands touch the sky, my great uncle learned the secrets, a taste that could defy. Caucasus whispers, its essence in the air, infusing every bite, a story rich and rare.
Slice the eggplants into rounds approximately 0.30.4 inches thick. Sprinkle the eggplants with salt and leave them for 30 minutes. Chop the tomatoes. Chop the sweet pepper. Chop the chili pepper. Chop the garlic. Blend the mixture. Add salt, sugar, and vinegar to taste. Chop the herbs, add them to the Adjika and mix. Rinse the salted eggplants and pat them dry with paper towels. Brush the eggplants with sunflower oil. Arrange the eggplants on a baking sheet in a single layer. Bake in the oven for 30 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the eggplants from the oven and place them in a container for marinating. Start with a layer of eggplants, drizzle with Adjika, then add another layer and repeat with Adjika until finished. Place in the refrigerator for 12 hours. After 12 hours, the eggplant is ready.